Hey everyone, it's Ryan from Momentum Group. And today I just wanted to spend a couple minutes talking to you about app features and really writing kind of a good feature list. Feature lists are incredibly helpful when it comes to putting a quote together for your app, and even just really helpful in the planning process of planning out your app build as well. And so we really look at kind of three different types of features. This is our product brief here. You can see, this is just a fake one that I've made up, Dessert Book MVP. We talk about the purpose, team, company, timing, budget, format, user types, and then we kind of get into features. And this is really the meat of what makes up most of our quotes and a lot of our planning when it comes to building applications. So first one we're going to start with is key features. Key features are really the must-have features for your application. It's what makes your app your app. And so key features are things like users being able to sign up and log in, users being able to manage their accounts. For this example as well, users being able to view all the recipes shared on the app, being able to upload recipes into the app, and upvote their favorite recipes from other users. As an MVP, we usually recommend people kind of keep their key features a little bit light, as we can always add in more later on. But yeah, key features, these are kind of the bare minimum. If you only could choose a certain handful of features to have in your app, these are it. And then moving on to nice to haves. Nice to have features are features that may not be necessary to the core functionality of your app, but as the name suggests, are nice to have. So, for this example, in this kind of recipe dessert app, users being able to upload multiple photos of recipes instead of just one. Users being able to comment on other users' recipes as well. These are things that won't necessarily impact the core functionality, but might make it a little bit better. And kind of maybe add an extra level of polish. Typically, we look at nice to have features as if there's time and if there's budget, we can get these done for you. But we really recommend for founders and startups in their first iteration, keep things lean, trial the idea, and go from there. And then finally, future stage features. These features are things that you want your app to have in the future, in the next iteration of your app, version 1, version 2. And the reason why we want people to start thinking about these at the very start is because we want to be able to build and design an app that's scalable. And if we know what sort of features are to come, we can build a good framework and groundwork to support those features in the future. So it really kind of helps us and even helps you as you're planning out your application to just get a more rounded view of what all is going to need to go into this. What sort of data structures need to be in place to support this, what sort of privacy rules need to be in place to support this, and so on and so forth. So that's just a little bit about features and features lists and our recommendation on how to go about planning your MVP or the first iteration of your app. Hope you found this helpful, and thanks so much for watching. Cheers.